Shenzhen Fumax Technology Company Limited is committed to providing world-class electronic contract manufacturing and innovative design ODM services to our clients worldwide. Founding in 2007, Fumax offers complete solutions for product design and engineering, material sourcing and procurement, PCB and PCBA printed circuit board assembly, box building plastic or metal enclosure, in-house manufacturing 100% owned factory, package and order shipment, etc. For rapid and reliable turnkey electronic contract manufacturing EMS services, our complete turnkey service covers everything from electronic engineering design of the circuits, PCB layout engineering, PCB fabrication of bare boards, component sourcing, parts procurement, and final PCB assembly. Our 100% owned factory has SMT lines, through-hole soldering lines, and finished goods assembly lines. Our daily capacity is more than 50,000 PCB assembly boards and finished goods. Fumax is also awarded ISO 9001 quality certificates, and our products are past UL, CE, FCC, and ROS international certificates. Our products are widely used in many industries, such as industrial control, consumer electronics, telecommunications, smart home electronics, wireless applications, etc. Fumax has built our reputation of quality service worldwide clients by offering various customized product programs, substantial savings, right-on-time delivery, and seamless communications. Welcome to visit our factory, Future Max with customers, specialized in design and manufacturing.